Hello everyone, in this video I am going to open and review this VW hauler. So here it goes. Now that I've unboxed the VW, I'm going to review it. So it's got like a little hinge, it rotates or swivels. It's really cool if you ask me. Really cool. But yeah, I like how it swivels in multiple directions too. It like swivels up and down too. It's actually actually really cool. I really like it. Made the right decision. And as a matter of fact, it kind of reminds me of like a hippie bus, like California and whatnot. But yeah, it is cool. The wheels are pretty cool too. I also like the flames. It's a pretty cool paint job. But if you look at the inside here, it kind of looks like an RV or like a motorhome or something. But as always, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay cool. See you tomorrow. But I've said this 100 times and I'll say it 100 more. I go back to school on August 8th. So don't see me. Don't expect me to be posting every day after August 8th. I'll post every once in a while, but not every day. But anyways, see ya.